this video, we're going to be talking about how to add your name to an iPhone lock screen. So let's just get straight into the video. The first method we're going to be talking about is going to be using focus mode. So this requires no application. All you need to do is simply head into your settings and then go ahead and look for the focus option and tap on that. Once you do that, simply click on the plus icon and then click on the custom right over here. And then you can literally name any for your focus. So for example, I'm going to write my name right over here. And then you can also go ahead and select any icon that you would like to, as you can see, and even the color just like that. So once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on next, go ahead and customize your focus if you want to. And once you've done that, all you need to really do is simply go ahead and turn your focus into the one you have. And now your name will pop up on your lock screen. I won't be able to show it to you, unfortunately, because if I lock my phone, then the recording is going to be off. But you're gonna see that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.